Hey guys, so how are you all doing today? So as you all knew, I had few issues with my bike, and the TVS technician had come yesterday to fix all the issues. They fixed most of it. I still have some problems. I'll run you through what all was fixed. Almost the panel vibrations are fixed. He just did the seating properly, fixed the bolts correctly, and there's no more vibrations here. And the chain rattling sound has gone. They have replaced the roller. You can see the roller right now. This is how the roller looks. It's actually much similar to the older roller. The only difference is that the new roller is much more smoother than the old. And of course my headlight issues also fixed right now. It's all working fine, as normal as it should. The issues that were not fixed was the handlebar vibrations. So this is how the new bar end looks like. It's much more heavier, much more longer and bigger than the old one. See, this is the comparative size. It's much more bigger than the old one. And the screws are also much longer. They didn't bring the screws, so they couldn't install this time. They'll ship the new screws to me, and I'll have this removed and replace it with the new bar ends. And the other issue I had was I had vibrations when I ride above 30-40 kilometers per hour. There's small slight vibrations in the mirror. So they suggested to replace the whole mirror, this right side mirror alone, so that the vibrations goes. Actually, I forgot to mention about an important update that's planned next by TVS. All the newer bikes actually have a rubber gasket between the windshield and the instrument cluster, so that it reduces the vibration, plus it prevents water from entering through the windshield while washing the bike. So this update will happen next time when I do my service. So that's it guys, all my issues have been solved. TVS has been really proactive in listening to customers' issues, and they try to solve it as soon as possible. They covered all the issues under warranty. So it's really great job. Big thumbs up from me to TVS. Good job guys. So guys, if you found the video helpful, please do like, share and comment.